Okay, I'm going to show you a trick that they use to get the serpentine belt off, and you have to use a 15mm wrench like this, but actually this is too short. Okay, this is a long 15mm wrench, okay, but this is too short. So I'm going to show you a trick that I use to get the serpentine belt off my Ford Taurus. Okay, I'm going to be using 2 wrenches, a 15mm, plus just a regular wrench. I'm going to choose this one. This is a 17mm. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, I've got a 15mm boxed in wrench right here. This is actually a 14 on this side, 15 on this side. Okay, I can possibly use this, but I still don't have enough leverage to pull the belt off. So usually what I do is I get the wrench right here, okay, and I use this part right here, the box in wrench, put it in on the bolt where the belt tensioner is, and then you can use this side right here and attach it like that and use the leverage to pull the bolt off. Just like that. It's long enough, see? So that's a good trick that I use, and I'm going to show you how to pull the belt off using this trick. Okay, I want to point out where the belt tensioner is, and I will try to zoom in on it before I try to pull it off. Okay, it's not right here. It's not this bolt right here. It's that one right down there. That is where you put the 15mm socket right there. I got my light on to give you a better view right there. Okay, you put it there, and you get your extension and you pull it this way, and that's a trick that you use to loosen the belt, or the serpentine belt, and pull it off. Okay, I'm going to try to zoom in on it. Okay, it's right there, and it is a little tight right here. Might be a good idea to take the coolant reservoir off before you try to tackle it and pull it off, but you can still get it off using the method I just showed you. Back up a little bit. It's that one right there. Okay, I got my boxed in wrench down on the belt tensioner right here, and I got my light on. I want to make sure you can see that. That's where the tensioner is right there. Okay, but I still don't have enough leverage, even with this long boxed in 15mm boxed in wrench, to loosen my belt so I can get my serpentine belt off. So let me go ahead and pull this off. Okay, and this is what I was showing you earlier. Here's the 15mm. Here's just a regular 17mm wrench right here. So what you do is you get this 15mm and you reach down. There's some helicopters in the background, and you go ahead and put it on the bolt right here. Okay, let me see if I can get it lined up. It's a little short. Okay. It's kind of tight in there, but let's see if I can get it on there. Keep working with it. Let's see. Yeah, it is a little tight down in there, but let's see if I can move it this way. Oops, excuse me. Hit the camera. Okay, I got it on there. You put it on like that, and then you get a wrench just like this, and you put it on like that, okay, and then you pull it. See if I can get it. You pull it this way to take the tension off the tensioner and pull your belt off. Let me move my hand out of the way so you can see that. So I'm pulling it this way, and it's actually loosening the belt, and you can pull the belt off like that. Okay, just like that. And it's kind of hard to see down there, but that's all you have to do. And that's a little trick that I learned to get the serpentine belt off the serpentine belt off the engine right here.